What is hugelkultur? Pretty much in a nutshell, it's soil on wood. And basically you're making raised garden beds. And if you do it 7 feet tall, you'll be able to grow your favorite garden in a dry, cold climate without needing any irrigation at all. In time, as the wood rots, it'll become the best and the easiest garden ever. Less irrigation. Fertilization, there's going to be a lot of parking spaces for fertilizer. This is going to have to do with cation exchange capacity. It's also housing for just soil life. There gets to be a good gardener soil gets measured and has a 10% organic matter, but this is going to go way beyond 30% or 40% organic matter. This is going to be home for such glorious, glorious garden life. Higher quality soil makes higher quality food. I think that as organic food loses its nutrition year after year, and that's still more nutritious than conventional food. This is a way to grow food in desert conditions. It's a great way to use sticks and full trees, especially rotted trees. The hugelkultur can be small, but bigger is better. Carbon sequestration. Some people don't care about carbon sequestration, but when you're trying to build soil, carbon sequestration is great. And for those people that are worried about carbon in the atmosphere, this is far better than burning it. This is going to keep it sequestered for decades, if not centuries. This is a great use for storm-toppled trees. It is amazing how once you get it established, how growing food becomes ridiculously easy. And there are a lot of things where it'll just keep pumping food out year after year after year, even if no one's around to take care of it. Noise reduction, more sanctuary-esque. I know that I do this all the time where I walk to the other side of the hugelkulturs and then a car will go by on the county road, and then I go on the side of the hugelkultur away from the county road and wait for another car to go by. The sound difference is phenomenal. It stores nutrients. In fact, the whole concept of fertilization almost evaporates. Double the growing surface. Basically, overall, I'm going to say grow double the food with 1/10 of the effort. That's what we are able to accomplish with hugelkultur.